Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to make Zen browser your default browser. Open Device Settings. Access the Settings app on your device via the app drawer or notification bar. Search for Default Apps. Use the search bar in Settings to type Default Apps or navigate manually to Apps and Notifications, Default Apps. Set Zen browser as default. Tap Browser App or Default Browser. From the list, select Zen browser. Confirm selection. If prompted, tap OK or always use Zen browser to finalize the change. Test the setup. Open a link from any app, example, messaging app or email. Ensure it launches in Zen browser to confirm the update. If you cannot find Zen browser in the list, ensure Zen browser is installed and updated to the latest version. Restart your device after installation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!